In this video, we'll demonstrate the steps to effectively hide your Facebook profile from prying eyes. But before we dive in, I invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn this, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. So, let's get started by opening the Facebook application on your device. Once you've launched the Facebook app, locate the three horizontal lines in the upper right or lower right corner of the screen. Tap on these lines to access the Facebook menu. In the Facebook menu, scroll down until you find the Settings and Privacy section. Within this section, tap on the Settings option to proceed further. Now, under the Settings and Privacy menu, scroll down until you see the Audience and Visibility option. Tap on this option to access the settings related to who can find and contact you on Facebook. Under Audience and Visibility, you'll find a list of settings, and you'll notice that many of them are set to Public or Everyone by default. To hide your profile effectively, we'll need to customize these settings. Start from the top and work your way down, adjusting them as follows. Who can send you a friend request? Change this setting to Friends of Friends. Who can see your friends list? Set this to Only Me. Continue scrolling and adjusting similar settings until you reach the bottom of the list. Disabling external search engines. The last setting you need to address is allow search engines outside Facebook to link to your profile. To ensure your profile remains hidden, toggle this option off, and that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully hidden your profile on Facebook, making it more private and secure. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. You can find more tutorials and resources at our website, MediaMagnetGuide.com. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials and tips coming your way.